today we'll be unboxing the Boxycharm base box for January 2021. So let's begin. So every month we do get a card inside that tells us the theme, which is Fresh Start. And also the products are inside, more information about them, their Instagram hashtags, handles, and also their retail value. Oh, and also which variation I got. This month I got C210113-BA. Interesting, they've changed the way they number those. Before it used to be just the number. But let's begin. So, it looks like the first item I see in here is this eyeshadow palette by Violet Voss. It's Olive You Forever. And this retails for $34. So let's check it out. I'm actually excited about this because green is one of my favorite colors. Actually, I think this does have a mirror. Yes, it does. Okay. So it does have a mirror. There's this plastic. And then we have 6 shimmer shades and 6 mattes. So what I'm excited about are these green shades. So let's check them out. Oh, they're so shiny. Let's see. Cool. Okay. Let's see what this color is. And the last shimmer shade. Okay. Let me swatch a couple of these mattes. Okay. So these are the browns. Okay. And then these are the shimmers. And there's 2 last colors. Let's see the thumb. I haven't used that. That's black. Okay. And then you can't really see that last shade. But, oops. Yeah, I did not get it in the right place. But it looks kind of like grayish too. You can blend it out, give it a smoky effect. But this is the Olive You Forever eyeshadow palette. Okay. Is that? Let's move on to the next item. Let's see. I believe this was my choice item. Avant Hydraulic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water. And this retails for $90. Wow. So you can take off your makeup with this. The next item is this apple. What is this? It's a Seraphim Botanicals Apple Balm Glow Lip Mask, and it retails for $25. So, let's see what it looks like. I like this brand because I really like that they're natural And they have good natural scents too. I tried a lip gloss of theirs and I just love the scent. So this is the color. Looks a little pinky, but it goes on clear like that. And it smells good too. You can definitely smell the apple, and I don't know what that other ingredient is. But let's move on. The next item is this Queen Dragon Duo eyeliner set, and there should be a liquid and a pencil in there. And this retails for $28. So let's check it out. Okay, so this is the pencil. And this must be the liquid liner. Okay, see, it's a lot more bold and dark than this one. The black pencil is lighter. It looks kind of brown on camera even. And it said that it's semi-waterproof, so it's not completely waterproof. Okay. And there is one last product in the box, which is the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer, which retails for $38. This is what it looks like. I like the products from this brand. It says they're cruelty-free, you know, all these free. Looks like a healthy product. You know what? Just gonna pull that. Come out. Okay. Okay, this is what it looks like. And the inside is green. It smells good. I don't remember what it reminds me of, but it is a green kind of scent. It reminds me of something that I've smelled before. But yes, that's the last item in the box. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll be sure to put down a referral link down in the description if you guys are interested in getting a box. And as always, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye!